Alright, what's on everyone? So today in this video what I'm doing is I'm showing you guys my whole room transformation. Like yesterday I spent like pretty much a whole day cleaning and organizing my room, and I made like a whole new section which is in front of me over here, but I'm not going to show you guys yet. I'm about to show you all. Basically I went to IKEA, got some stuff. I'm really going to show you guys what I did to my room, what I changed up, some new things I added, and where you guys can get them to if you're interested in like changing your room at all or anything like that. I just hope this video, will be something cool for you guys to watch, anything like that, I got some stuff to show you. I promise you this is going to be interesting. So we're going to get straight into it. If you guys want more videos like this, go ahead, subscribe below, and also drop a like in this video. See if you hit 100 likes, I'd appreciate that. Got more giveaways and stuff coming soon also, because it's like back to school, so I want to do something like that for sure. Just stay tuned, and we're about to get into this room transformation. Took me pretty much it was like a 24-hour, I guess, like 24-hour room transformation. Gonna show you guys it. So, oh, and if you don't already, because I know a lot of you don't, go follow me on Instagram in the description at Tristan.Wick, or my reselling account at CLT Steals. I didn't pronounce it right the first time there, but those are my Instagrams. So if you guys want to follow me there, they'll be in the description. I appreciate it. Let's get started now though. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how my room looks right now. There's gonna be some changes, obviously, because some of the stuff I'm gonna like explain to you guys, so maybe it makes more sense. But here's how it looks right now, this side. Remember this corner that used to be trashed under this? Now, basically, I went to IKEA. We have some stuff here I'm gonna really show you all. I sold this Supreme lighter. As you guys know, this is the Supreme Zippo. I've seen it before. And this is a LA metric clock. Basically, it can show like different stuff. Like you can display time, like date and stuff like that, or you can display like Instagram followers, YouTube subscribers, things like that. Like, it's so cool. And let me explain. Okay, let me explain those two pairs of Travis Scott boxes right there. Reasoning behind those, because they're not legit, and I'm explaining how they even are here, because I didn't buy them. Why are they in my house, you may ask? Well, let me explain that. So someone I know was trying to buy some Travis Scotts, right? And they ended up getting a fake pair sent from them, and they said they bought them off StockX, but it turns out the person that sold them claimed they bought them off StockX, but made like a fake StockX receipt. So that sucks, he took an L on that one. But yeah, basically these are fake Travis Scotts. Like, I want you all to take a good look at these. Like, I'm sorry that I'm not being careful with the box, but these aren't even legit. Like, I want you all to take a good look at these. Like, here you go. There's the Travis Scott one, but no, it's not legit. Like, you can do some of the checking, like right there, like the spacing in between here and there. You can look up here. It's a pretty good fake. Like, fakes have gotten good, but to be honest, like, he got one pair and then just ended up just trying to get another pair. I think he bought one of them on purpose, I'm gonna assume, because like, look at this. Like, one fake pair, two fake pair. I don't really know. One was just unlucky, so he got scammed on one, which really sucks, and I don't know how he got the other pair. But that's the history behind those. Now, let me explain the other sneakers. These are also some of his sneakers. I'm holding these sneakers for somebody because they want me to sell them for them, so I'm selling some of them. But my own sneakers, actually, I put them in a different place, and it actually was right in front of your face. Hopefully I showed you guys when I was previewing this, so hopefully you can see like my sneakers there, like in this whole like my monitor setup and all that. Like, you can tell there. Like, there's like what it looks like, but there are my shoes, and I actually put those there, and I'm gonna explain what those are. And yeah, I gotta clean up this mess. But yeah, I guess I'm just displaying those on my desk for now. They're gonna be sold. These aren't gonna be sold. These are fake, so these aren't gonna get sold. I'm not gonna flex those. Like, these are getting, I don't know what I'm gonna do with those, but they're not getting sold, so don't think that. Oh, and this clock also shows the weather. So 88 in Charlotte right now. Got an LV wallet right there. I sold that Zippo. And then, we got some Moonrock Yeezys here, Human Races, and then the fake Travises, which I don't know what I'm gonna do with those, but we're just gonna have to get rid of those because I'm not letting those get sold or anything, so I don't know what's the plan with these. But I got a lot more to explain still. Like, obviously, I haven't even explained what's going on down here with these shoe boxes, and I'm gonna explain where I got those, sort of the idea behind them, where my other boxes are, because I didn't just get rid of the shoe boxes, I just actually organized them in these. Okay, so see, I removed those from the video, because again, I don't want to do anything with fake stuff like that. But basically, how I got these shoe boxes is I actually went to IKEA, or my mom did. Shout out to my mom, she actually helped me out with this part. She went to IKEA and got these like shoebox containers, and they're basically just fabric, but they set up because they like have a zipper in the back. Like, here, so here's how it works. Like, look, it has a zipper like this, and it basically just zips up, so that's how it stays up like that. And then yeah, it just Velcro basically just keeps the sneakers in, and and boom, then you can just set up some sneakers. So like, here are like 8 pairs I have right here that I just set up in these boxes. So like, What the KDs, New Balances, Air Forces, some mall sneakers, Gucci sneakers, Nike thrifted sneakers, and like some other ones right there, like the Inertias. So that's pretty cool, and I set those up in those boxes under this desk, and I probably can fit like 12 sneakers under there, so I'm gonna get 4 more, put 4 more of my shoes in there. Some of these ones too. Like, I like having some of the boxes up here. But let me explain this part now, because you can see I changed a whole lot. Like, I'm gonna be editing different. All my videos are gonna be posted a little bit different. Like, I like how this is. I'm about to get upset with my camera because this is my old camera. Notice how my new camera broke. So I'm using my old camera right now, and it just randomly stops recording at points, and it's like, I don't know why. So it's sort of annoying, but basically I want to explain this. Like, I got this whole new setup here. So basically I got my monitor and I set it up again, dusted it off, and start using it again, connected this to it, and basically I'm gonna start editing. Gonna be projected onto here, and you know, we got the LV bag, camera bag, tripod, and then, you know, my lights set up there, and you know, all that stuff. And we cleaned it up. We got the new trash can. Like, it just looks a lot more like formal, and like this is a good place to edit too. Like, I can write in like all my shipping orders here. You see I got it all like set up here with all these stickers. Like, I'm gonna be writing orders here, editing videos here, sneaker stuff, whatever it is. Like, this is just how I've transformed my room. And like also up here, like, this is the transformation too. Like, you see I've added some stuff here like recently with the Bear Bricks, and look, they got Supreme water bottle, then you got both the Mophis portable chargers, and then you got that one that's filled with coins. I don't know why I just keep filling with coins. There's no like big purpose to it. It's just, you know, like, save coins, you know, just, I don't know, save some change, you know, feel me? But yeah, that's really what I did on how I changed up my room in 20. It literally stopped recording again, but we got the IKEA corner desk set up, as you can see. And you know, it's going nice. We got the extension on it, and the whole desk just sort of fits together, like the shoe boxes and all that. This is how I changed up my room. If you guys want to know how to do this or where to get any of this stuff, I can tell you all. I actually would even consider this like an essential. Like, this is actually cool, and like keeping your sneakers like organized and things like that. Like, I've been working on trying to keep my stuff more organized, and I think like this desk and all that's gonna help me out, especially with the shoes. So like, if you want more videos like this, more tips, and more like just like cool transformation videos like this, let me know down below and I'll do that. And yeah, let's roll that outro. Anyways, I'll be filming more videos here for sure, obviously on this desk, because like, I got unbox stuff on this desk. Like, there's plenty of room. So if you guys want unboxing videos coming soon, let me know down below by subscribing and dropping a like in this video too. Let's even hit 100 likes. I'd appreciate that for sure. But I don't really have too much more to say other than let me know what you guys think. Obviously, I used to just have a bunch of crap in this corner, but I actually cleaned it up, and you know, got something pretty nice here now, so I'm happy with it. And thanks for watching, guys. Comment below, subscribe, like, I already told you all that, so I'm not gonna repeat it, but I just did. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'm gonna see you all in the next one. Peace out.